Here I have Realme 9, and today I'm going to show you how to disable front camera mirroring effect on this device. So first you have to open camera, tap here, go to its settings, and here you have option flip selfie. As you can see, it works the way that it saves selfies as they appear in the viewfinder. But if you disable this feature, your selfies will be just normal. I can show you an example. So let's take one selfie with this feature disabled and the other one with it enabled. And as you can see, yeah, these photos are mirrored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.